makabalik pa sa live.
Pwede pa.
We're at
Pero sila
Biodome.
nabalik na namin.
Yeah, for sila to Manila Ocean Park, but still.
Sabi niya, lalabas yung crocodile.
Wait, there's a huge crocodile.
Oh my God! Napulisan pa ba, oh? Ayun, oh, may tao sa baba. Oo nga, nandun sa baba sila, oh. Crocodile! Para mapunta.
Wanna go up down there? Yes. How was there a tao downstairs? Stairs!
Hindi masyadong mainit, no?
Oh my God! Sabi nila, fresh meat. Let's go down there right now. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, blood.
May nag-ano bilang niya. Oy, bebe! May nag-bilang ako na.
Don't cut the line, sister.
Don't cut the line.
Sorry. Wait, let me check this. Oh, it's so cool. It's on top of this. It's in his face. It's a dead boy. Yeah. It's because the crocodiles have to be there too. That's their camouflage. Yeah, that's their camouflage. So they can
aren't you eating the fishes, bro?
eat the fishes, bro. Pwede na tayo?
Wait lang, unahan ka.
I'm gonna remove my bag.
Ganyan na lang. O, dito si Dylan.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ayan na lang. Nakikita ka?
Natakot.
Nakikita ka?
Oh my God!
Ayan, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Ito din, brother.